Kiesha the Truth Coach coming to you with your weekly parenting tip. This week's tip is, I really want to emphasize how important nature is for your body and for your soul. As a mom, I cherish the moments to be out here in the nature, and I think it's healthy for me and for the children. Take your kids out in nature today. Have a good week.